Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to course SQL Structure Query Language. So we are discussing about rank and dense rank function. In the previous video, we have just understand the theoretical concept of rank and dense rank function. So we understand what is rank function, what is dense rank function, how to make use of it, along with the example. Now we have to demonstrate all the example with the help of live SQL. Okay, so already we discussed about the problem statement. So here I have just shown you already these queries. So here I'll execute all this query, and I will demonstrate how it works and what kind of output you are getting. First of all, suppose I want to find overall rank. Suppose I want to assign overall rank for all employees of the department. So how can I do this? Select employee number, department number, comma sal, rank over order by sal DSC as rank from employee. Suppose I want to assign overall rank, I am using rank function without using partition by. So let's execute this and try to understand what kind of output we are getting. So here we got the output. Here we can see that consecutiveness is not maintained. So here this is the overall ranking. Employee number 7839 is getting highest salary as a 5000, that's why it is rank 1. Then these two employee getting same salary as a 3000, they are rank 2. So here rank 3 is missing. So we already know that limitation of rank function is that consecutiveness is not maintained. Suppose we want department wise ranking. So what I need to do, only thing is that I need to add partition by word into this previous query. So here what I done, I only added partition by word into that query, and suppose I execute this. Let's see what output we are getting. So here we are getting output department wise, means we are assigning the rank department wise. In the previous case we have assigned a rank by considering all the department, but here we are assigning the rank based on only single department. So in case of department number 10, 5000 is the highest salary, that's why it is rank first. 2450 is the second highest, that's why 21300 is 3. So there is no problem in case of department number 10, but there is a problem in department number 20. So here you can see rank 1 is assigned to 2 rows because its salary is 3000, but after that there is another employee who is getting salary 2975, so its salary is 3. Sorry, his rank is 3, not 2. Why? Because we are using rank function. So here consecutiveness is not maintained. So this is example number 2, where we are using rank function with the partition by to assign the rank department wise. Now next query is to find out the rank of an employee. Okay, suppose we want to find the rank of an employee whose salary is 1250 and commission is 500. So how to write this query? Select rank 1250 comma 500 within group order by sal DSC comma commission DSC as rank from employee. So this is a query that we have already seen. So we try to execute this, and let's see what output we are getting over here. So here we get output of rank as a 11. Now how that 11 comes? So to demonstrate this, so I need to execute this query. Select star from employee order by sal DSC comma commission DSC. Now let's count how 11 comes over here. So here as we are using rank function, consecutiveness is not maintained. So rank 1, rank 2, rank 1, rank 2, directly rank 4. Here 3 is omitted. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here you can see salary is 1250 and commission is 500. That's why this rank is 11. Suppose I execute this, I am getting rank 11. Again I will show you that we are getting rank 11 or not. Yes, we are getting rank 11. So this is what demonstration of a rank function. So now let's demonstrate all the example in dense rank function. So dense rank function, what is the benefit? It try to maintain the consecutiveness. Okay, again problem is same. I want to find out overall rank. So here instead of rank I will use dense, DENSE, dense underscore. So I need to get the overall rank for all employees, but here consecutiveness should be maintained. So here you can see consecutiveness is maintained. This employee is getting as rank 2, then 3 is not omitted but 3 is there. But in case of rank function, this 3 is omitted. Directly here we have assigned 4. So in this case consecutiveness is maintained. After 2 there is 3. Similarly here you can observe after 9 there is a 10. Okay, after 9 there is a 10. So here we have used dense rank function to find overall rank. Now I want to find department wise rank and maintaining the consecutiveness. So for that purpose I am going to use dense rank function. So instead of rank only I will add one word, dense underscore, and try to get department wise ranking. So I try to execute it. So here you can see there is no problem in department number 10, but in department number 20 two employees getting salary 3000, so they have been assigned same rank 1, but after that 2975 is getting rank as a 2. But in case of rank function, here rank is 3. So that problem is solved. Again in the department number 30, two employees getting same salary 1250. So in this case again rank is 5. That means consecutiveness is maintained. So both rank function, dense rank function is same. Only difference is that consecutiveness is not maintained in rank function, where it is maintained in the dense rank function. Again next problem. Here we want to find the rank of an employee whose salary is 1250 and commission is 500. So for that purpose we are using dense rank function. So instead of rank I will add dense underscore, and let's see what kind of output we are getting. I am not making any kind of change, only instead of rank I replace it by dense rank, and let's try to execute. In the previous case if you remember, we are getting output as a 11. Now let's check what output we are getting. Now in this case output is 10. Can anybody tell me how it is happening? Suppose I am using rank function, the rank is 11, and by using dense rank function the rank is 10. So let's demonstrate this with the help of this particular table. We want rank as a 10. So as it is a dense rank function, in this case consecutiveness is maintained. So 5000 rank 1, 3000 rank 2, this is again rank 2. Here rank 4 is not there, rank 3 is there. Suppose we are using suppose we are using rank function, directly here we assign rank as a 4, but here we are using dense rank function, that's why consecutiveness is maintained. So here rank is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So counting is same, means the output of this employee table is same. Suppose you are using rank function, then its rank is 11. Suppose you are using dense rank function, then its rank is 10. So in this case your rank is 10. So again I will show you the same thing. Let's execute this same query again with the help of dense rank function, and let's check whether we are getting rank 10 or not. So here we are getting 10. Suppose I remove this dense rank, I will get the rank as a 11, because consecutiveness should be removed. Consecutiveness is removed from that. That's why we are getting rank as a 11. So this is how rank and dense rank function works. So here I hope you understand how rank function works, how dense rank function works, what is the limitation of rank function, and how it can be overcome in a dense rank function. So if you want Olympic wise ranking, you have to make use of rank function, and if you don't want Olympic wise ranking, you should go for dense rank function. Thank you.